Welcome to Royal Enfield Himalayan. Do it yourself for headlamp bulb replacement. Ensure the vehicle is on its center stand on level ground. Ensure the headlamp switch and ignition switch are in off position. Remove the Phillips head screw on both the sides of the headlamp front rim. Gently remove headlamp assembly from the headlamp housing. Disconnect the wire coupler from the headlamp bulb and the LED connector. Remove the rubber boot over the bulb. Remove the lock holding the bulb to the headlamp. Remove the fused bulb. Note: replace only with the Royal Enfield recommended bulb. Halogen bulb 12 volts, 65 by 55 watts. Do not touch the front portion of the bulb as fingerprints on the glass will affect the light intensity. Ensure the 3 lugs on the bulb holder are located correctly in the 3 grooves of the reflector. Assemble the lock over the bulb and lock it in the reflector. Assemble the rubber boots such that arrow marks are facing upwards. Connect the small coupler to the LED lamp. Connect the big coupler to the headlamp bulb and locate the headlamp assembly in the housing, ensuring the lug on the rim is locked into the housing, and tighten the rim to the housing using 2 Phillips head screws. Switch on the ignition key and headlamp switch to check proper working of the lamps, high and low beam. That's it. You have done the headlamp bulb replacement.